How to get gems in My Perfect Hotel. So in My Perfect Hotel, gems can be obtained by completing daily tasks, watching ads, connecting social media, and potentially through upgrades and revisiting previous hotels to max them out. So according to a review in the game forum threads, additionally, some users on a game forum thread suggest that revisiting and maxing out earlier hotels might unlock new upgrades and gem rewards. So here's a more detailed breakdown. So first thing what to do is daily tasks. So the game offers daily tasks that rewards players with gems and cash upon completion. So also have watching ads, so you can watch in-game ads in exchange for gems and cash. And for social media connection, you can connect your social media accounts to the game, can also grant you free gems and cash. And for the upgrades, some upgrades, particularly those unlocked by maxing out previous hotels, might reward you with gems. And lastly, you can revisit previous hotels, so if you're stuck, try revisiting earlier hotels and focusing on maxing them out. This might unlock new upgrades and gem rewards according to a game forum thread. And that's how you can get gems in My Perfect Hotel.